Hi Chelsea. I'm going to be going over my colored logos as well as my supporting elements that I designed for Blueberry Cosmetics. So starting off with the colored logos that I designed that you can see here, we can go back and compare them to the black and white logos that I had designed. And you can kind of see, how I just filled in the colors for the blueberries as well as the text and all that. And for the actual colors that I chose, I had went back to my Stylescapes and grabbed different colors from the Stylescapes and just created a color layout here, just so you can see the different colors that I chose for the design and all that. And here, for my text, I decided to go with the Blackadder font. I just feel like it went well, kind of like the cursive feel to it. Just thought it went good with the whole theme of Blueberry Cosmetics. And I just kind of gave examples of the alphabet and letters and all that just to give you a better idea of the font. So after choosing the font style and all that, I decided to go ahead and create these icons here. Just also again, just to fit the theme with the design and all that of Blueberry Cosmetics. I designed this little, like 3 blueberries, and then these little like flower type, star type designs and all that. I just thought that they were cool little icons that would fit well. And same with the colors, I chose the same colors from the Stylescapes that I put in my color layout. Then I went to actually go and design a seamless pattern that I thought that would fit well. And I really liked the pattern, how it came out. Just chose different little vector designs and placed them out differently. Got the colors, filled in, certain ones that just how I felt that it would look good. Just kind of being creative with it and all that. Just to make a cool little pattern and design to fit along with everything. But yeah, these are my designs here. I really hope you like them.